So I logged into my Trust Wallet and found out that most of my cryptos were gone. I panicked, and this is exactly what I did to rescue the situation, and I was able to recover all my crypto. Now, the first thing is that none of the cryptos were lost, they were just disabled. If this same thing happened to you, this is how you can get all of your crypto back into your wallet. Now, if you're facing this same situation, or maybe something different from this, and you are having trouble solving it, feel free to email me at nbarinua@gmail.com, it's displayed on the screen, or message me on Instagram at @𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, and then I'll be free to guide you on how you can get yours back. Okay. So first thing, let's go to our Trust Wallet right here. Now, Trust Wallet have changed logo because I think that this is a Chinese something. Now, this is how much that is on my wallet right now, but it's way above this particular amount right here. So now, how do I get back all of the cryptos that were on this wallet? How do I find them? Here's what you need to do. Now, first thing you're going to do is to copy the address. So I'm going to copy my Ethereum address right now. Then I'm going to go to BSC scan. Let's go BSC scan. So here I'm on. Okay, so here I am on BSC scan. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to copy this address, paste it right here, and search. Now, when I search this, I'm going to find out every single token that is on my wallet. Okay, so I'm going to click on them. These are the missing tokens. So I'm going to click on them individually, copy their contract ID. Okay, copy the contract ID. Then go back into my Trust Wallet right here. Then I'll click on manage crypto, or we'll just paste it in the search. Paste it here. Click on it, and then enable it. Okay, you need to use the manage crypto section. Manage crypto, paste it in the search. It will come up. Yes, then click on enable it, and you see the balance has increased. We'll just enable that one. Then we go back, look for the rest. Okay, we have this one here, 𝗓𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. Now, if you scroll down, you will see multi-chain, other chains that are probably not shown here. Look at this one here. I'm going to add this one here. This one is on Etherscan. I'm going to copy the contract address. Come here. Click on manage crypto. Paste it right there. Enable it. So we've added that one. So let's check out for more here. The next one here is 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. So I'm going to tap on 𝗏𝗏 right here. You know, sometimes some of these cryptos just vanish like that, maybe depending on the kind of network of your provider you are connected with. So it needs you to add them up manually. Okay, so now I'm going to click on manage, then paste it in right there, and then enable it, and boom, that's all the crypto on this wallet. Okay, so that's how to enable lost cryptos should maybe your crypto be missing for whatsoever reason that may be. This was just a demo. I just used this to show you guys an example of how this thing works. So let me know if this video was helpful or not. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe right away.